All right. The second stanza, or the second verse of our song says, multiplying fractions, no big problem, top times top over bottom times bottom. Multiplying fractions, no big problem, top times top over bottom times bottom. What that means is simply numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. Multiplication of fractions is essentially easy because all you do is multiply across, multiply across. The fraction song got from Miss Terman at Thompson Middle School in Georgia, and multiply across I got off a video that I saw on YouTube. Either way works. Top times top over bottom times bottom. The numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. 15, 5 times 3 equals 15. And forgive me if I'm not skip counting this time. You certainly can, but we're working on a time thing. All right, 9 times 4. Well, I can go 9, 18, 27, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 36. We'll talk about simplifying this in a minute. Let's do another example, and we'll show you how to simplify at another time, simplifying fractions. All right, example number 2. And as you can see, I'm making it up right now because it's so easy. It's 4 sevenths times 2 thirds. 4 times 2 is 8. 7 times 3 is 21. We just multiply across. Another one. 3, we have negative 2 thirds times negative 4 fifths. Yes, you can have negative fractions, and yes, you need to know your integer rules. Negative times a negative equals a positive. The 2 pair of negatives cancel out. 2 times 4 equals 8. And 3 times 5 equals 15. What I did was I looked at the negatives first, but you can do the math first and then decide later. But the 2 negatives cancel each other out. Remember, I said when we have negatives, it tells you to go in the negative direction. And then when you see the next negative, it changes direction, which is why the 2 negatives in multiplication equal a positive. All right, that's multiplying fractions. I don't know what I'm going to do. I do know I'm going to do something.